I'm an old Mercury guy, but recently had to replace the water pumps on two identical 1990 Johnson 90 horsepower engines. My first word of advice is do not remove the carburetors, especially to get to the clip and pin for your shift linkage. It's really easy getting the clip off once you know what you're looking to do. Prior to my second water pump replacement, I was purchasing a battery at my local auto supply and noticed this in the discount bin at the cash register. It's a long, curved, needle-nose plier, well worth the $12 it cost me. After watching several really good YouTube videos, it was clear what I needed to do, but nobody was able to record or show this area. While doing my second water pump, all the gods aligned, and I was able to easily obtain these photos. I was able to quickly remove this retaining clip and push the shaft in to release the pin. The problem was, once the shift moved and I removed the lower unit, I had no idea how to put it back together. Was the shaft facing forward, or was it facing backwards? Here is a photo of the shift pin in place prior to removal. The shift rod was painted white and is clearly facing forward. You can see the shift shaft is black and the silver pin is in the hole. Prior to the removal, the engine was placed in neutral. After you replace the water pump, you need to slide it back up. Place the shift shaft arm in the forward position to move the retaining arm towards the top of the engine. When you push the lower unit back up, there's a good chance that the shift rod will move up to the left or the right, and the hole will not be lined up with the shift arm. With a very long screwdriver, push on the bent part of the shift shaft until the pinhole on the shaft is clearly visible and the bend is facing the front of the boat. Once the pin is back in place, you need to replace the clip so the rod doesn't slide back in. You may need an extra pair of hands to do this. While holding the shift shaft towards you, and the shift back bushings are all back in place, you need to gently push the retaining washer away from you until you find the clip hole, and then push the clip back in place. I hope you've enjoyed watching this brief video. Please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Have a great day today and every day. See you on the water. Have a great day today and every day.